In talking with veterans over the last couple of years, I found that some are aware of their VA loan, while surprisingly, others knew very little about their benefits and how to even use them. In this episode of RoQuanda's Real Estate Real Talk, we're going to cover 11 benefits of having a VA loan. You want to stay tuned because you don't want to miss this. Thank you so much for serving our country. I sincerely appreciate you and I thank you. In this video, I am going to talk about the 11 benefits of using a VA loan to purchase a home. The first one I think is the most important, or probably the most appealing, because you do not need to have any money for a down payment. Yes, you do not need a down payment. And perhaps this is one of the biggest advantages because you can purchase a home immediately versus waiting and saving for years just for a down payment. This is absolutely a great benefit. The second benefit is 100% financing of the total closing costs. The third benefit is no PMI, no private mortgage insurance. When you're using a VA loan, you're saving money up front and tremendously increasing your buying power. What happened is because you're not paying PMI, you're able to increase your home price value by 20 to 30%. The fourth is competitive rates. VA backs mortgages on VA home loans, so those savings are passed down to the veterans. And because studies have shown that veterans honor home ownership and their foreclosure rates are low, veterans get great interest rate, which means that their monthly payments are absolutely affordable. Isn't that amazing? Now, the next benefit of using your VA home loan is the different types of homes you can purchase. You can purchase a single family home. You can purchase a 2 to 4 unit home where you stay in one and rent out the others. You can stay in a townhome or an approved condo. The sixth benefit is that there is no set credit limit. Please speak with your lender about this. Number 7 is full entitlement restoration, which means that if you've used your VA loan previously to purchase a home, once you sell your home, you can use it again. The next one, number 8, is that you have to provide your lender with full documentations to be able to qualify for the loan. Number 9, when you go into a contract with a seller, you have to have a termite inspection that the seller is responsible for paying for. Number 10, you have closing costs. I don't want to lie to you about that. However, if you don't have any money, we can ask the seller to cover those closing costs, or that money could be given to you by a family member. Number 11, which I absolutely love, is working with an agent that is signed up with Honor the Brave. This agent has already agreed to give 10% of their commission back to the buyer, which is amazing at closing. Not only that, but this agent is also going to give 5% of their commission to a charitable organization that you have said that you wanted to give to in your name as the buyer. Isn't it amazing? Now, I know I've said a lot in a short period of time. However, if you need me to go over anything, I am available. My name is RoQuanda Guy, and I am an eXp Realtor located right here in Loxahatchee, Florida, serving all of Palm Beach County through the Treasure Coast and all of its surrounding areas. I am an educator, so I love educating both the buyers and the sellers on the home buying and the home selling process. If this is content that you would like to see on a regular basis, I'm going to ask you to go ahead and hit the like button, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and don't forget about the bell so that you can receive notifications each and every time that I do a new video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.